Hey everyone, it's Eric Goins from Flywheel Studio here, and I have some awesome news for you. As you've probably seen just by what I said right now and what we have on our YouTube channel, we have rebranded to Flywheel Studio. So that's the big news. Very simple. Before we were Automate Intelligently, that's the brand name we operated our Adalo Expert agency under, and we've outgrown that. We're too big for just the automation space and what we were originally doing. So we're really excited to move to this new brand. It's been a while coming. So now you'll see everything will be branded Flywheel. We have it on our logo, our banners. It'll be on our videos. It'll be on Adalo. That's our website, Flywheel.so. And so everything going forward you can see there. And if that's the only thing you're interested in, just knowing that little update, then you can hop off the video now. But for those of you that want to know more about us and what we do, I'll actually tell you kind of the history of Automate Intelligently, how we got started, and where we are now. So last year, I was in consulting. I was living in Hong Kong, and I decided that I wanted to take time off to travel. COVID hit, coronavirus, the whole world shut down, and I was not able to do that, but I had already given notice at my old job, and that probably was one of the best mistakes I've ever made in my entire life. I started doing no code for some friends and some startups, some businesses that I knew. We started with Webflow. We were just using any tool that we thought was decent. We were using Glide. We were using Adalo, Bubble, everything. If it was no code, we were using it. We were even on WordPress, just doing all kinds of little projects, very, very small projects. And over time, we found out that we were, first off, really good at using Adalo. Second off, we liked using Adalo. It was fun. All the work we've done is super cool. And we love the people we work with there. We like the Adalo team. And over time, we've just specialized in Adalo. It wasn't necessarily a purposeful choice. It was just, this is what we wanted to do, and so we kept doing it, and now we are specifically and only an Adalo Expert agency. We don't build with any other platforms, and we focus primarily, almost 100% on mobile applications. Last year we worked with probably over, I think about 24 different apps. We didn't build all from scratch. Some we just help with little components. Some we built from scratch with clients all around the world, from the US to Hong Kong to Switzerland, Australia, a little bit of work in Latin America and South America. Honestly, it's been amazing to see what everyone has been building. It's great to see that so many people now have access to build mobile applications without code. And on that matter, I'm not a developer. I cannot write code at all. So Adalo has really enabled me to personally do this in a way that just would not have been possible a year ago. And right now, my wife and I, we are traveling the world in our own way. We're currently in Thailand. This is Phuket, Thailand, where we've been for the last 2 months. We're going back to the U.S. this summer, where I'm originally from, and that's kind of how we run Flywheel. Is we have Adalo in this YouTube channel that you're watching this video on, and we go and produce content and make information available to help everyone in the community, whether it's on the Adalo forum, the Facebook forum, YouTube, Adalo. All that stuff is out there trying to help people. And then a lot of people come to us and ask us, because we're the experts, how to make a mobile app, or how to have better UX, UI, or even just specific components like complicated API calls, custom components. We do all of that. So that's kind of our story in a nutshell. So going forward, you'll be seeing a lot more content on YouTube and Adalo. That's kind of our goal this year, is to be getting out about a video a week of some interesting, cool stuff that we're working on, and updates for, kind of on the Adalo platform, to make sure everyone understands what Adalo is doing and how all of that works. And then we'll be showcasing more of the apps that we've built. We haven't been good about that in the past. We've kind of built our apps on the side, published them, let the clients do their own thing. But from now on, we want to kind of bring that to the center and share that with everyone, to show you more about the cool apps that are being built on Adalo, what functionality is available, and then also just show you better design. I think that's one of the big things that's missing right now is that design element that so many people are trying to improve. And Adalo is a great platform to do that on if you know how to use it. So that's our story. Thank you for watching. Going forward, we will be Flywheel Studio. You can see all of our information at Flywheel.so. And my email address is eric@Flywheel.so. So if you ever want to email me about something, you can just reach me there. I think that's on the website as well, so it should be pretty easy to find. Thanks for watching.